All right, welcome to my SDI Reflection video. Very, very simple. My name is Stephen Ratliff. It is Scalable Data Infrastructures, and this is term 92611. First question, what do you think of JavaScript so far? Well, honestly, I'm still kind of lost in it. I thought it was going to be a little more HTML-ish, but it seems like there's a lot of fat in JavaScript, and I'm not sure if I'm just seeing it wrong or if I'm just not understanding a lot of the strings in which we place inside the JavaScript. The story and theme I went for the first one seemed pretty simple. It was my daily routine and what happens and what could happen in that daily routine to change, being that my daily routine first thing in the morning is never, ever the same. It changes every single day. We have an idea of what we want to accomplish, but does it really happen? Most of the time, no. So I felt it was very similar to coding and what you come across in the real world, where nothing is ever the way you plan it out to be. Am I going to continue that story for part two, project two? I'm not really sure. I would like to. I'm going to see how the flow chart goes and how I can expand upon it. If I cannot, then maybe I will have to reevaluate what the best course of action would be. Either to rewrite my daily routine in a way that can be expanded upon more than what I believe can be already, or if I need to completely go in a different direction and think about project 2, 3, and 4 and the ability to expand into a JavaScript format. That's pretty much so far what I think of scalable data infrastructures. The one thing that I seem to be lost in more than anything, I'm not sure if anybody else is with me on this. Please reply and respond if you are. It's the console.log. I'm really confused on what that actually accomplishes in the JavaScript. So I completely understand why we write the ifs or the elses. That way we can kind of expand upon what would happen in a particular situation. Now, I'm not sure if console log is a final decision or if that is multiple decisions that are being played out throughout the JavaScript. So hopefully in project 2 we can expand upon that. I can get a greater understanding for that. If for some reason you understand it more than I do, feel free to chime in. I would love to hear some comments. Hopefully we'll get some more information on that console.log, or if I'm just misunderstanding it. Until then, this is my weekly reflection, and I look forward to hearing your guys' comments. Again, enjoy, and welcome to JavaScript, I guess.